Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Big City Crypto. In this video, I am talking about Alpha Omega coin that is inspired by cryptocurrency launched to the glory of God and the of course of humanity. In this video, we will talk about a completely official registered under the following data like this is their basic details with the legal name Alpha Omega Global and legal form private limited company. Registration number can be seen here and date of registration with a capital, and here is also registration address where the in Europe you can find their official address, and founder name can be seen here as Abraham. Next, you can also see about the Alpha Omega Limited will be incorporated in Dubai. So I am going to share each and everything about this coin, that how can you buy and what is this coin will help you for your future income. So let's start the video properly. If you are new on my YouTube channel Big City Crypto, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification, as this coin is your future because there is a lot of features for you and your income. So here you can see that those Alpha Omega coins are those who have not seen and who have believed join, and here you can also see that this coin will change your future because there is a complete roadmap of working with a officially team. Like these are the team members and he is also their founder, and you can also get that their team is a professional in their work with a multi-year experience working on blockchain based, and you can also contact them. I will provide this link in video description. Here you can also see that there is transitional embassy of the permanent advisor of Alpha Omega Coin International Community. So these are also a team member that are working on globally to handle out the community of Alpha Omega coin, and you can contact them if you have any question or query related to their community. They will respond to you as soon as possible, and you can also see their code traveler and much more team member are available on it. And the next thing is about that we are getting into understand the philosophy and the mission of this coin, that is also working on the global level for the operating of divine and Christic values, and here is also giving all the members all over the world to live a life with abundance and love according to the plan of God and not of Shaitan. So their mission is to giving you a best life that is very natural, not by Shaitan guides. So you have to take a right path with good deeds, with happiness for the people, and you have to live that lifestyle. So their missions has been cleared to you, that how does you have to lead your life by natural way. And the next thing is about their Alpha Omega coin protocols with the ecosystem, like there is a Christology and Bible education, Alpha Omega coins, Bible agathology, and much more. Here you can find our complete details about it. If you want Alpha Omega coin green life, they are also serving the humanity and serving humanity by greening their life, farming and getting green energy as well as green health. So they are also leading to a healthy life as well as the wealthy life. Here is Alpha Omega business centers that are also a source of income. So here you can invest your money to buy this coin, and here is also academy development, like they are also going for the construction work also. Here you can get the and much more permanent embassy. If you want to get these information, then you have to explore them by clicking on it, and then you will find that how does it work and how can you know about complete details about these topics that are mentioned on their homepage. Alpha Omega Coin technical data can be analyzed here. Their characteristics of Alpha Omega Coin. Here is Alpha Omega Coin's token name and their symbol name, their type ERC20 based decimal with the category hybrid token, both utility and security token. So you can also get the token allocation as well, like what the percentage has been allocated to which categories, and you can find a total number of allocation also. So this is a complete detail for you so that you can see that as lockup how much number of tokens will be locked for 12 months, and you can also get the number of tokens for pre-sale, for sale, advisors, their marketing head and their founders can be seen here. So that according to which you have to take your mindset and then you have to invest your money to buy this token. Here is also a community in their overall world. Next you can see that what is the use of raised fund. Allocated fund or fund allocated for development, and I have already told you above on the website that there are many projects that they are going to giving a complete roadmap and their vision and mission that their life should be a completely change into natural by God, not by Shaitan. Here you can see that wallet to the store. You can also download the MetaMask wallet to transaction Alpha Omega Coin. Token here you can download from Google Play Store or App Store are available, and you can also find some about listing on which exchanges you can buy this token, Uniswap and Coinsbit. This is the website where you can connect on it, and then you can also see that you can trade on it. And the next thing is about the other exchanges will be listed soon. So as we are talking about an exchanges program, here you can see that Alpha Omega coin can be traded on Coinsbit with the price of 0.148, and here within 24 hours it has been increased by 3.6%. So you can also work on it, and you can also check out on the Uniswap. Also you have to import it, and then you have to connect your MetaMask or any other wallet that you have installed your device in which you have fund related to this project. Then you have to put a password of 6 to 8 digit as you have secured your fund on it, and then you have to click on the next button, and you can see that it will be connected successfully. Now you can import this token and you have to pay and swap this, as well as on the Coinsbit can be done this process to hold this Alpha Omega coin, and their community can be joined on different social media links I will provide in video description. Next thing is about their roadmap about the Alpha Omega coin root community building phase 1. According to batch 1, batch 2 and batch 3, they are giving you a complete details that what they are trying to do and how price of the coin will be increased. So you can find out all these details here. And the next thing is about their main community that can be checked out, and you have to follow it for more instructions, and you can buy them on their exchanges website. You have to follow their community, as I will provide this link in video description. So next thing is about their main community, Telegram and Instagram, and their Twitter you have to follow. You can ask in our comment box. See you next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.